There we go. There's his other tail. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Finished. Man, this was the toughest boss I ever drew. What did you guys think of it? Glad I finally got it finished. Anyhow, if you guys have any interest in Hydranoid, I'd be happy to give you pointers on how to draw him. And, well, if you want to see me draw more like him, please let me know. Who would have thought Bakugan can evolve? I didn't. But man, this guy looks good. Anyhow, I think I better head off to bed. It's really dry here. Anyways, please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next. And one of these days, I'm gonna review these. Anyways, I'll Stegosaurus. See you later.